welcome back to my channel. I can't even remember when last I said welcome back to my channel. It's really been ages. I'm actually on my way to Nest to pick up a few things. Whose car stopped on the road? So I'm actually on my way to pick up few back to school stuffs and sure to carry you guys along. And to me, this really sounds weird doing now, but let's see how it goes. It keeps going.
Good evening.
Good evening. Thank you. Okay, so I'm at Nest, so I should be heading to where I need to pick up my stuffs. I'm put food for this girl. For the days when I want to put food for her. But yeah, this thing is even disposable. Give mama again. It's joy or somebody that's feeding somebody. The food has already finished now. It's many small. I want to change your hand. Oh no, sorry. This one's good for me to do. Nah, let me try to get that one. Papa scalp. Yeah. If I can manage this. So we are off to the market. We're off to buy some small bags. And Odara. I'm not even wrong with Odara.
Cabbage.
And cabbage. Thank you, my love. I see where this one. Yes. Hey, mama.
Like a girl.
No, good. So, let's go. Look, yeah, just so that if you are keep on. Bye. Washing clothes, okay. And washing plate has finished, have you?
No, none one.
Okay, we'll buy another one. See our escort to the market. So. I want to escort us to the market.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Keyboard, you poo. You poo.
We so buy cabbage, Odara, orange.
Orange. And what again?
Then onions.
Onions and guineas. Vegetable. You say you want half and soup.
Yes.
Only half and soup.
Or vegetable, anyone.
Oh, vegetable. Your mouth is dirty. You need to go and brush your teeth. Alright, so we are good to go. Daddy is coming.
Daddy.
Give me a already fried one. I think give me one. know what if I say good. I want salt.
Now one in town. If you know if that woman don't bring you, but
500. I don't buy pepper.
So, Mama Choma, that's your company. So she can enjoy the company.
Madam, find a chance. Give you. Madam, find that money. Not give me where you go.
I'm trusting my. Those that follow them. Yeah. Let's see what I leave. I don't say you should give me white one. Goodness and mercy. Goodness and mercy. Are you guys done?
What are you getting?
So, yeah. This one is called what? Come, let me show you. This one is mixed spice. You know, right? Onions. We cut the onions. Open the fridge. Use it to season chicken. Now, onions. Jack up over there. Come closer. Hold it. Give me courageous. Keep the salt. Keep it. Keep it.
Oh.
Give me the mixed spice.
Oh.
The mixed spice. Okay. Then it's dried onions that is inside the mixed spice. You put ginger, garlic, turmeric, bay leaf, rosemary, and dried onions. So it's natural spice. We don't use packet spices. We use everything natural. Say it, everything
Natural.
good girl. I've already put onions, right? So it's time to cover it. Let's go and eat. So cook the remaining things. You're cooking what? What are we cooking today? And what again? Rice and stew with chicken and coleslaw. You know there's cabbage and carrots in the fridge. What's it coleslaw? Alright. Later, see you guys. See you guys later.
Bye.
Say see you guys later. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Say it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey, beautiful people. It's just so weird that I'm starting now. It's not weird. I'm so sorry. I left YouTube for a very long time since 2022. Yes, I think. And coming back now looks, or rather, feels so weird, but we'll get the hang of this. We really have to get the hang of this. Okay, Welcome back to my channel, guys. Like I said, by the time you've seen this, you must have seen a lot of clips that went down from when I went shopping at Nest to get water bottle for my daughter. And what else after that clip? One of the things, okay, yes, I went to the market to get one or two things. Yes, after that I went to, my son was feeding the elder sister, you just can't imagine. Yes, after I went to the market and came back, you guys won't believe, but camera was just the last thing on my mind at that time. My daughter, look, they locked themselves inside the house. You just can't imagine. At that point, thank God we are living downstairs. We could get somebody who broke the window, the person entered the house, opened the door. You know this door that is like the security door, you really can't tamper with it, if not alarm. So that's how we got that. And after that, the next day I cooked vegetable soup. If you've watched those clips, if you've actually skipped, just go back so you get the hang of what I'm saying. My daughter was giving me a list of what to buy in the markets. I should cook vegetable soup. I should just made small native soup. On Sunday we cooked. Don't worry, this is just the channel to stick to this 2025. You don't want to miss anything happening with me and my the Republic, like my husband always say. So just stick around, join the family, help me grow, or rather let us all grow this 2025 by the special grace of God. Fingers crossed. I'm not going to go MIA again. I just want to be consistent on the streets of YouTube, and we'll see how that goes from here. By the time this vlog will be up, my introduction video must have been up. So if you've not watched this, just pause this video, go back, watch it, and come and continue. So after this vlog, a lot of exciting things are going to come up. By God's grace, this coming weekend is going to be exciting for us. I want to take my children to the park. So let me just give you the tea. Just wait. After that, another one is coming, and another one, and another one, and another one. So please, if you've not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please just like, share, and comment whichever part of this video that you actually love. And I promise, by the special grace of God, fingers crossed, I have some things turned up for YouTube this year, and I pray with God on my side, I will not slack again. Yeah, it's not like I slacked. If you've been a real-time OG, you know that when I say YouTube, it was just one child. It was just a child. That's Soluchku. I just had a child, then I took in, and I couldn't keep up with everything that just happened in between. So I just had to give YouTube a break. So now, by the special grace of God, like I mentioned earlier, I'm ready to take up everything that comes with it. So thank you for watching my video to this point. I'll try not to make it so long, or if it's long, Biko, Ejo, I'm on my knees. Please, Biko, watch to the end. Just like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so you'll be notified whenever I post any video. Okay, please help me grow. I know I had little subscribers, like 100 and something then, but whatever be the case, I'm grateful for where I am. I know one of my friends, or like two people, that asked me, hey Chika, why did you actually leave YouTube? You were trying, but now I'm back. So all you my old time OGs, please continue liking, continue sharing, and don't forget to comment. Like I said, see you guys in my next video. Bye.